Okay, homework 9, number 11. In this problem, you're given a system. Consider the following system. 100-liter tank initially has 12 liters. Every 1 minute, 5 liters are added to the tank. Every third minute, 7 liters are removed from the tank. And you're being asked to write a while loop to determine the time required for the tank to fill up to 75 liters. Let's copy the given and let's go to MATLAB. So let me copy it here. No, here we go. Let's go to MATLAB. Okay, I'm gonna paste my given just so that I have it in front of me. I'm gonna comment it. So let's go over it again. 100-liter tank initially has 12 liters. Every 1 minute, 5 liters are added to the tank. Every third minute, 7 liters are removed from the tank. And you need to find the time required for the tank to fill up to 75 liters. So it seems that we need to keep track of two things, right? Of liters in the tank, that's the first thing, and the time. I need to keep track of these two things. So it makes sense to create just two variables to do that. So I'm gonna call the first variable liters tank, and it's initially 12 as given. And then I'm gonna create a second variable, I'll just call it time, and initially it's at 1. So I need to write a while loop, so let's write our while loop. So while, and my logical condition here is the tank to fill up to 75 liters. So while liters in the tank is less than or equal to 75 liters, I'm gonna run a few expressions and then end the loop. So in these expressions in this while loop, I need to add 5 liters every 1 minute and remove 7 liters every third minute. So time will control this loop. So let's increment our time. So let's add the time increment first. Time equals time plus 1. So I'll increment this loop by 1 minute, right? Increment time by 1 minute. And then here I'm gonna basically add 5 liters. So liters underscore tank is equal to plus 5. And what this line does is it adds 5 liters every minute. And then I need to remove 7 liters every third minute. So in order to do this, first of all, I'm gonna check if the time is at the point of every third minute. You know what I mean? So if my initial time is 1, every third minute, 1, 2, 3. So my third minute is 3, then 6, then 9, then 12, etc. So I need to check whether the time is a multiple of 3. So in order to do this, similar to our previous problems, I'm gonna use the remainder function. If remainder of dividing the time by 3 is equal to 0. So here I'm checking if the time is divisible by 3 without any remainders. So this means it's at the third minute at which I need to remove 7 liters. So if this is the case, then I'm going to say liters underscore tank is equal to liters underscore tank minus 7. So what this does is remove 7 liters every third minute. And then I need to end my if statement here and just end the loop. So what this loop will do, initially my number of liters is 12, and while the number of liters is less than 75, which is the condition I'm looking for, I'm going to add 5 liters every minute, and then I'm going to remove 7 liters every third minute. And finally, out of the loop, I'm going to just display the time. And before the loop here, I'm just going to put clear CLC just for good housekeeping. Let's run this loop, see if it makes sense. Run. We'll ask you to save it, just save it. So here we go, let me save it. Homework 9, number 11, saved. And if you run this loop, it should tell you that the time is 24 minutes. So this system will take 24 minutes to reach 75 liters.